Hey guys, Mike here, and this is BlitzWolf's flat 0.66 feet sync and charging cable for iOS, and a 3.35 foot braided cable for iOS. Awesome braided cable. That is just cool. Blue, just awesome. That is just awesome. Alright, and that is the braided cable. There'll be a link in the description below if you're interested. Alright, this is the flat cable. Awesome. It's a little short, but that's fine. Awesome. Alright, let's charge it, see how it works. The flat charger. Awesome. It's charging. Charges well. Both ways. All this braided iOS cable by BlitzWolf is just awesome. Look at that. Awesome. Let's charge it. Let's test it out. Alright, on the iPhone 6S. Here we go. Bingo. Awesome. Let's see if you flip it. BlitzWolf is awesome. And there we go. There'll be a link in the description if you're interested. I highly recommend them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.